Hello everyone, so today I have is a new car from Maisto Speed Icons. I got it from Walmart and it cost me around $8. This is the one, Lamborghini FKP 37. I don't know what does this pronounce. So as it shows, it's a limited edition diecast metal body, diecast metal chassis, opening doors, 2 pieces wheel. Obviously they should give this if it is a car diecast. Real rubber tires, I would expect it in $7 or $8, about $6 I would expect it. Official license, that's the nice thing, it shows right here. I hope they show it on the box. Yeah, it's right here. So it's in red color. It shows as bonus storage box. But yeah, let's see how does it look. So let me try to open that up. That's a tough thing to open, I would say, honestly. I have opened mini GT cases, the pop car race cases, but this is sticking up a lot, and I'm afraid that I broke the box, and I'm not willing to do this anytime with my boxes, but yeah, I had to do this. So keeping the car on side, first of all, let's take a look off the box where they says storage box. It says bright red color, glossy red Lamborghini. Yeah, so let's move on from the box. I don't like to talk more about boxes. I will take you to the car. This is the one. It has a hood which pops out and goes back. Okay, I have a big complaint about these tires. You see that? That is not what I expect in $7. At least even in $2 I won't expect that to happen. But the in-hand feel is a bit okayish. It's not that good but not that bad as well compared to $10. So what would I complain in $10? That's $8. So that's fine, fair enough. This is a tough thing to open. Yep. As you can see, there is a engine detailing made. I guess it has V12, not V12, but I think so. It should have. I have no idea on this, so let's not go over there. What does it say over here? Cyan. Yeah, it's the car's name, branding. It doesn't look that appealing, honestly. It was very great in box. It has a nice headlights, I would say. The side view looks really good, as I just made a video on Porsche right over there. Yeah, that's the Porsche I made a video on. This is my entire collection. I have more to go. As you can see, there is just the beginning over here, and on the top shelf there is only Porsche and premium ones. But yeah, let's get back to the Lamborghini. I like the tire detailing, honestly. I don't know, I forgot what is this thing called, but I like that. It has a wobbly wheels, and that's the problem. You see that? It's not even smooth. Nope. So it has auto brakes on, I guess. Okay. Yeah. So it has a small detailing of gas tank, something like from where you fill up your gas. I hope the doors were able to open like on the butterfly doors. Yeah, it's not able to, so that's fine. They tried to copy the aerodynamics. It's an official licensed product. I don't know how they can how this sucks in an official licensed product. How they can approve this stupid thing of auto braking. I don't know why it has it. The tires are not aligned well, or something is wrong in this car. But yeah, the bottom part looks pretty sturdy. It looks of metal, yeah, but it is like, if I could level this up, the brand entirely Maisto, it will come above Hot Wheels regular ones. The three, you see the Hot Wheels which are for $4, it will come as the same level of this car. The difference is they don't have a rubber tire and they don't have opening stuff. Like, you see that? I don't need that. I don't need that in reality. The diecast should be perfect. That's why it's like there is something off, completely off. I don't know what, but yeah. So that was the review. I'm completely unsatisfied with this brand itself. You will see my first video on Porsche, and this will be the second video if you're watching this. Thank you. I have 2 more Ferraris left. I hope they are better. The next 2 cars is with this logo. I'm hoping to be good, and please it better be good, or else it's going to go in a refund cart. So that's it. Thank you.